And as you prepare yourself to go into a deep state of meditation tonight on this very divine night of the full moon, bring all your energies to the current moment and close your eyes. Eyes are the window to the world, so it is good if you can close them. So close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And as you are just focusing on your beautiful breathing, let this music go through your ears, touching your soul. Allowing yourself to be in the present moment, totally and completely. Visualize a beautiful cord or a pearl mala connected to your head, to your crown, pulling you up towards the heavens. And the same string of pearls pulling you down towards the Mother Earth. Aligning your spine, making it a little more erect. And aligning your body and breath together. And as you are only focusing on this beautiful energy, your prana seems to be flowing beautifully from the tips of your toes till the top of your crown, and from the top of the crown till the tips of your toes. Let this beautiful energy clean you thoroughly of all the thoughts, of all the worries and the anxiety of the day, and make you all ready to receive. And now, focus all your attention to the tips of your toes and feel a beautiful wave of energy moving up from your ankles, up into your legs, relaxing your calf muscles, letting go of all the aches and the pains, relaxing your knees and your thighs, moving up across your stomach, digesting the food, giving you energy, Shakti and the prana to your body. Moving up across your chest, relaxing your heart. And now your shoulder muscles are relaxing. Let any and all responsibility lift up from your shoulders now. Shrug your shoulders gently and relax them completely. Let this beautiful wave of relaxation go down across your arms, your hands, and your fingers. And now your neck muscles are relaxing. Feel this relaxation going up across your head, relaxing your scalp, coming down across your forehead, relaxing your eyebrows and your eyes, your nose, your lips and your chin, your cheeks and your ears, till your entire physical body is completely relaxed. Consciously tell yourself, I relax myself completely. And now visualize or just imagine yourself standing below the moon. Imagine yourself standing in the balcony, on the top of your terrace, outside, in the open, in the garden, or just imagining yourself sitting below the beautiful full moon. See yourself opening your hands wide, as if you are willing to receive the energies of the moon goddess. All those who are wanting to invoke Archangel Haniel, invoke her. Invoke your Guru, your spirit guide, ascended masters, and see that a beautiful surge of moonlight, light blue light, coming down and down, falling on your crown, further down into your face, down into your whole body, and let your heart be the pumping station, letting all this beautiful moon's energy into each and every cell of your body. And as this light is falling into you, be ready to release all that is not serving your highest and the best. Silently say, I release all my anger towards myself and towards others. I release all my pain. I release all my restlessness, helplessness. I release all my fears, my anxiety. I release all my blocks to receive abundance. I release all the procrastination I was doing till now. I release all that is not for my highest and the best. And see, as you said that, you may feel a surge, a release of dark energy going away from you. The moon energies are filling you, cleansing you, cleansing you, cleansing you. Take a moment. Allow this cleansing to happen completely. Take 3 breaths, inhaling from your nose and exhaling from your mouth forcefully. Release and relax, and relax. And as you do that, see yourself shining brightly like the moon. Let your beautiful emotions flow through yourself abundantly. Let the energy of joy, let the energy of happiness, let the energy of abundance fill you completely now. Bring your focus at the point between your eyebrows, as if you are looking at a distant mountain top or the sun rising from the horizon. Keep yourself completely in sync with your third eye. Let it open a new path, a new vision for a beautiful life from this moment on. Stay in this beautiful energy for the next 1 minute. Let your eyes be focused at the point between your eyebrows, and let your mind follow your breath. And now with a beautiful smile on your face and hope in your eyes. Let your awareness come back to the present moment, completely in the here and now, thanking the God and the Gurus, thanking the beautiful energies of the moon and the moon goddess, thanking your own self for allowing yourself to be in this present moment and releasing and uplifting your energies. I am slowly counting you up from 1 to 5. And at 5, you will be fully awake, feeling very good about yourself. So start coming up with 1, feeling fine, fresh and relaxed at 2. Let all your bodies and personalities integrate totally and completely in your physical body, in the here and now. And eyes open wide awake, integrate, 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 eyes open wide awake with a beautiful smile. Let me see all the smiling faces. How beautiful it is. And I also see little ones. Dipali, thank you for bringing our little Mitha. Thank you, Mitha. You know, children bring beautiful angelic energies.
Thank you.
All are,
Thank you.
you're welcome, Vita. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Sagita.
You're welcome, Preeti. You're welcome. So tonight, before you sleep, I also want to request you to do one very small technique. And this is very beautiful. I know that all of you are busy people and today you all have taken out time. So let us make a journal, okay? It can be a diary, it can be a small notebook. From today, let us make a journal. And you will write today's date and day 1, right? And today, underneath the day 1, please write all what you want to release, all what you want to let go. So whatever is your current age, okay, from today, go back to the time you were born on this earth, okay, and see who all are you holding grudges for. See who all are you, feeling a little helpless towards. See what are you not able to achieve and you're feeling anxious. So all that you want to now let go. वो घर की सफाई करते हैं ना? So tonight is the time to cleanse your own self. So the first topic is self-observation. Meditation is self-observation. So observe yourself, write down. Okay, and it can be 1 page or 2 page and as many pages. You don't need to go back and read it again. After you do that, tear them, okay? Tear them and then tear them into smaller pieces. Either you can burn them or you can just flush them, okay? Or put them outside underneath a tree. Let it go to the universe. Let all what is not required go, leave you, and make yourself a beautiful vessel to then receive what you're going to receive in the next 20 days and see the magic unfold. Yeah? So we have 3 minutes. If you have anything you want to share as a feedback or anything you have to ask for, we can do that. It would be good if you can put on the chat. Ishika will call out and then you can unmute yourself and speak. So put yourself on chat, your question on chat, or I want to ask, or I want to say something, and then Ishika will call out.
Yeah, so Sakshi Arora has one query.
Yes, Sakshi, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi Sangeeta ma'am. Thank you so much for this lovely session. Just want to share one thing. It's been quite a while that I have been, inquisitive about meditation, what it is all about, what it is meditation. It is such a big term. I have joined the courses of Art of Living to understand what is meditation. Then a lot of people have different opinions, but I never understood because the meaning of it in Art of Living, I joined I think 6 or 7 courses I attended, but I learned yoga over there, not meditation. And after people who are actual champs in meditation, they are giving a lot of amazing feedback. Oh, you can get this from meditation, your life would be so get amazing. I used to see them like, what are they saying, man? Like, how could these things be possible? Because when I used to meditate in those kriyas of Art of Living, I used to get a lot of thoughts always, and I was so restless, not relaxed. Like in today's session, it was good, absolutely great. But honestly speaking, the duration was a little small, and I was not able to focus that much because I'm a very confused kind of personality, and my concentration power is really really poor, like less than even a child. So I was not able to focus, and also we were sitting in a room, light was on, so that was also, we were not able to actual. I really want to know and experience
Right.
what
I
other people.
understand. I understand, Sakshi. I got your
I'm
the
sorry.
long question short. Thank you for asking, because this is a very, very important question and a very common query.
Yeah.
Understand, we are on day 1, and this 21-day journey, I would like to call it a journey, will be step by step towards learning and experiencing meditation. And we have all people from all walks of life. Therefore, we kept it very short and very sweet, because day 1 is self-observation.
Right.
Please do what I've asked you to do, and then you see a little more, one step ahead towards observing yourself, relaxing yourself tomorrow. Remember the 3 stages which I had shared with you tonight. So see what stage you are in. If you're not into that stage, tomorrow I'm going to share with you more on how to prepare your body so that you can actually experience that relaxation in your mind. So thank you for asking, Sakshi.
Sure. Thank you. But honestly speaking, I really want to attract a lot of things in my life, believing on the purpose of law of attraction and affirmations. But I generally get unsuccessful. I don't get successful. But in this case, for meditation, honestly speaking, I get successful without even going and inquisiting anywhere for the course and learning meditation. I attracted this myself, and I'm learning it. Thank you so much for your time. It's a blessing that, and honestly speaking, there is an aura I can feel in you, and your persona is also, I mean,
Thank you,
great.
Sakshi. So this is not a course, this is not a workshop, this is just a sangha. This is
Yeah.
just an amalgamation of all the beautiful inquisitive souls, and definitely we'll all progress in this journey together. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sakshi, for asking.
Thanks a lot.
So we will just take one more question, and then we'll take it as we go along the journey. We respect the time, and we will of course take it towards the culmination to 21 days. So, yes, Ishika, anyone?
Yeah, so I can take 2 questions because they're almost same.
Okay,
So
please.
Gitanjali Didi says that I was feeling restless throughout.
Okay.
And Manju Kalra also said that I felt tingling on my both legs during the meditation. What does this mean?
Thank you, Ishika. So restlessness and tingling are 2 different parts of your experience. Tonight is full moon, and full moon is the day when moon pulls the energies, moon pulls the water from the surface of the earth. So if you have been restless the entire day, you will feel restless. If you are feeling calm the entire day, you will be feeling calm. So this restlessness is coming on the surface of your body. Stay put, be aware, observe this restlessness. The ocean always has, a lot of waves above, but below, bilkul shant hota hai. So wait till the restlessness passes. The second is tingling. Tingling is a very different vibration. This is your body giving you some kind of an information. Don't worry, that will also subside. Yeah, Subhashri, we all feel the connection with our loved ones who have passed away because the Pitru Paksh is starting tomorrow. So just be in deep connect with the souls who have passed away. Seek their blessings and give your best wishes to all of them. And let the tears flow. The tears just cleanse your soul. It's okay. We are all together. Yeah? वो कहते हैं ना कि खुशी बांटने से तो बढ़ती है और दुख बांटने से कम होता है ना? Wonderful. So thank you all. We will meet again tomorrow for a wonderful session. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.
Take care. Sleep well.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Sangeeta.